This is off of a 1970 Cadillac DeVille, and it came into us, if you can see the before pictures, very cracked up and worn out. This old plastic that they made these out of was actually a wood pulp based plastic that over the years just deteriorates and shrinks. And so the wheels that were really excessive, they just have to be completely remolded. So we go in and strip it all the way down to the bare metal, sandblast that metal, get it all cleaned up really nicely. And then we go back and remold this steering wheel back to factory new. We then paint it with a urethane UV stable paint and clear. And then we put the inserts for the wood grain and chrome back into the wheel and bury that in clear. So it's actually a little bit better than even the original wheel. It's got a super high heat tolerant plastic resin that these are molded out of, so it can literally handle up to about 300 degrees, and it looks as good as new or better. So any of your old classic steering wheels, we take care of those here at Craft Customs. We've done them all the way back to 1922 and all the way up to the current model year, but all the old 60s, 70s, 50s, 40s, 30s, we do all of those. So reach out to us here at Craft Customs, because when you're restoring your old classic car, you don't want to have a cracked up steering wheel still sitting in that vehicle. And I see it all the time. I was at the Peterson Automotive Museum and saw cracked up steering wheels on vehicles in a museum. And there's no need for that, because that's what we're here for. Craft Customs, one of the only companies who still does the restorations of the old classic steering wheels as well as the newer steering wheels. So reach out to us at craftcustoms.com or give us a call at 214-564-1170. We look forward to working with you, and as always at Craft Customs, you're going to love what you get. We guarantee it.